Kung Pao Chicken is a classic Sichuan dish. It's named after Ding Baozhen and Qing Dynasty official. It used to be his favorite dish, and is about to become yours too. Hello my foodies, it's CiCi here. I'm super excited today. Of course I'm excited to see you. I'm also excited to make a really well-known dish, Kung Pao Chicken. If you haven't had Kung Pao Chicken before, wow, you're definitely missing out. So come on, let's give it a try. Alright, so first we're gonna marinate the chicken. In this large bowl, we're gonna add in the soy sauce, salt, white pepper, egg white, and cornstarch slurry. And we're gonna take our time to thoroughly massage it and mix well. So the egg white and cornstarch slurry here are going to make the meat super soft and tender. It's a Chinese tenderizing meat technique. It's also called velveting. And now it's gonna let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna make the sauce. We're gonna add in soy sauce, dark soy sauce, yellow wine. You can also replace it with other cooking wine. Chinkiang vinegar. You can also replace it with other black vinegar. Chili oil. Sugar. Salt. White pepper. And cornstarch slurry. To prepare the wok and make it into a non-stick wok, heat it up until smoking. Add about ½ cup of vegetable oil in it. You can also choose other oil that has high smoking point. This will create a non-stick coating for the wok. If you're already using a non-stick pan, you can just go ahead to the next step. Now we're gonna pour out the oil, and after it is cool, you can save it in a jar and store it in a cool place. You can still use it in cooking in the future. And in this wok, we're gonna turn to medium-low heat and wait until it is hot. Add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then we're gonna add in the peanut. Stir fry until lightly brown for about 5 minutes. Take them out and set aside. With the remaining oil in the wok, turn to low heat and add the Sichuan peppercorns. Cook until the aroma comes out for about 30 seconds. So now we got ourselves Sichuan peppercorn oil. We're gonna take out the Sichuan peppercorns. You can either throw them away or save them for other recipes. So with the remaining oil in the wok, over medium-high heat, we're going to add the dry red chili peppers, ginger, garlic, and scallions. Stir fry until aromatic for about 30 seconds. We're gonna take out all the ingredients, but still leave the oil inside the wok. Now in the same wok, we're gonna turn to high heat and heat it up until smoking hot. Add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in it to cool the oil down, and immediately add the chicken. Let it cook without touching it for about 30 seconds. The second key for having a non-stick iron wok is hot wok, cool oil. In Chinese, we call it 猛火阴油. That's why we add the chicken when the oil is still cool. So as you can see, it is completely non-stick. Now we're gonna stir fry the chicken until it is completely cooked for about 3 minutes. And we're gonna transfer back all the side ingredients and the sauce. Mix well. Now we're also gonna bring back all the nuts. That's it. Super fast and easy. You know what? After you cook everything, it just seems really fast, really simple, really not that complicated. So let's give it a try. Let's dig in. Oh, look at that. Juicy, glossy chicken. Can this be more tender? It is so tender, so soft. And I love the sauce. It's a little spicy, but it's not too much actually. So this is perfect for me, and I love the peanut. It's so crunchy. Let me see. So good. So guys, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. Also share this really awesome videos with your friends and family. I like to also stay in touch on Facebook, Instagram, and also YouTube with all of you. So that's it for today. I'll see you again next Friday. Bye now.